Hi from me, Bernie B in Hamilton's. You might be a contractor or someone who wants to start a contracting or painting business. Here are a couple of guidelines to help you, and I call it the P for yes project, but guidelines that might help you along your way. So let's get started.
As we say, preparation, preparation. So go on site and prepare ahead of the project. Make extensive notes on what must be addressed, such as cracks that need filling, damp areas that need attention, etc. An important safety note is check the ladders that you're using, that they are for home use or industrial, and that they can take the weight. P for protection. Always make sure your workers are issued with the correct PPE, that's personal protection equipment. In certain cases, some clients will have to be met, such as reflective bibs, dust masks, and so forth. P for proper tools. Make sure you have the proper tools for the project that you are attempting. Make sure that before you arrive on site that you have all these necessary tools to complete this project. Create a checklist that can be used every single time. Nothing worse than knowing you forgot something and the project has to be put on hold. Products. Please make sure all preparational items are on site, your polyfillers, your primers, and make sure all your items can be locked up and kept in a secure area. Now, painting, we need always two coats for inside or outside walls, regardless. Two coats. Follow the drying time. When painting outside, check the weather that no rain is imminent, quite important. And once the job is done, have a snag list that you can walk around and double check that everything has been done and it has satisfied the customer's requirements. And with all of that done, you should have the perfect finish.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. And that's it from me, Bernie B. And once again, that last P, the perfect finish.